Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how to install the Intel Android USB driver on your Windows computer. So first of all, go to the description of this video. There you will find the link of this driver. You have to download the driver first, then you have to extract it on your computer. As you can see, I have already downloaded and extracted the driver on my computer. Let's quickly open the folder now. In the folder you will be able to see the following files. So let's quickly begin with the tutorial. Click on the setup file. Then click on next. Click on I agree. Click on next. Then click on install. Now the setup will start and the drivers will be installed in a while. Click on the finish button. And your drivers are installed successfully. Just restart your computer and you are good to go. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And do subscribe our channel.